Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyma, for those of you guys that are new. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Haus Labs, a PR package that we can lift up without straining our necks. Thank you. So I'm gonna be doing a review over the Haus Labs makeup line from Lady Gaga. This is what the PR package came with. It's got liquid liner, and then it's got pencil liners, some lip glosses, and I think these are eye shimmers. We're gonna be trying all of that out today. Before that, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little base routine for you guys. I'm trying a new foundation today. I'm trying the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, so we're just gonna test it out. I figured why not do the full face on camera since I have so many new products that I've been wanting to try and talk to you guys about. So we're gonna go ahead and jump straight in. First, by putting some eye cream under my eyes. This is the Kiehl's avocado treatment. So we're just gonna do like a quick base routine, just run right through this base routine because I think most of the house stuff is eye focused and a little bit of lip. Then I'm gonna go into the Pat McGrath Labs primer. I'm just using this primer because I know how it performs and I like the way that it performs, and since the foundation is a new one for me, I just wanna make sure. And this isn't a foundation review on the whatever, I'm just gonna be trying it today. I am going to an event in like an hour, so I gotta hurry, but I really love this Pat McGrath primer. She is a banger. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade, I have 18 and 17 here, which I didn't even know Milani went this deep, so I'm very happy. That is 18. These are two very close shades. Actually, no, 18 seems to be more neutral, and 17 seems to have a little bit more red to it. 18 right here. Okay, so a letter from Gaga. I'm gonna start blending while This is a very thick foundation. She said, when I was young, I never felt beautiful, and as I struggled to find a sense in both inner and outer beauty, I discovered the power of makeup. I found the superhero within me by looking in the mirror and seeing who I wanted to be. Of course, it's obviously gonna be heavily influenced by Gaga's story and by her experiences and stuff. And I actually really like that. I really like when products are created out of passion. To me, that's when you really see revolutionary products. There is a green lid shimmer in here that I'm excited to try. And she also said she has the blackest black eyeliner or something like that. So I'm excited to try that too, because I'm always looking for really nice eyeliner. I just went in with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. I used the shade 90 NN. I'm trying to decide what concealer I want to use to brighten that. I'm gonna use Makeup Forever concealer in the shade 54. This is their Ultra HD concealer. Oh yeah, that's beautiful underneath there, especially layered on top of that first shade. Yes. And this is also a really nice self-setting concealer too. It just needs to dry a little bit because this is more of a watery formula. That just shows you how much coverage, because this is 2 pumps. This was 2 pumps and I got all that coverage out of that. Nice. Okay, Milani. I need to blend down to my neck. I forgot what I'm wearing today is. Kind of shows my chest a little bit. Oh, so pretty. Okay, now I know. I feel like with concealers, you gotta figure out a way to like make them work. And now I know how to get the best use out of this concealer. Gotta layer it with that Stay Naked, but it's so pretty. I have recently been loving blending out my forehead concealer with a brush. I'm gonna go ahead and do a light set with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I'm using a Morphe M532. All right, so I just did my brows off camera. I'm just making sure I prepare my base for any awkward or weird fallout. We've got these, which I'm not gonna use because I think it's very good for us to stay true to ourselves with these reviews. We all each have different personalities and different ways that we wear makeup and different ways that we like to express ourselves through makeup. I feel like if I throw these on, am I ever gonna use these again? Definitely not. I'm gonna show you guys how I would do it based off of my normal, regular makeup routine, how I like to use products, and how I eventually, like if I do wanna explore like being a little bit more creative or a little bit more colorful with makeup, how I would do that. Because I do think this is more of a creative makeup line. Got more like colors, more shimmers, and all that good stuff. So I am going into that with that in mind, but I am also gonna stay true to myself. Let's jump straight into this. It is our mission to spread kindness, bravery, creativity by providing providing tools for self-expression and reinvention. This is your glam, your expression, your artistry. This is our house, your rules. Oh, cute, 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 cute. I do think they ship on Amazon. The lip glosses are called La Raya Lip Gloss, and they've got 6 of them. Everything is cruelty-free and vegan, so that's good. Silky, multi-dimensional gel lip gloss. I haven't heard. Is that the first time I've heard of a gel lip gloss? So this one's the shade Venus. Ooh, Venus is pretty. Venus is right up my alley. This is the shade Venus. I love that pale pink. And then we've got the shade Entranced. Entranced has like a pink gold shift to it. It's the one right next to that first shade. And then that one is called Scream. I feel like they're gonna be sticky, so hopefully they're not sticky. Corset is the one right next to it. It has no shimmer. It's kind of a pale peach. This one doesn't have shimmer as well, which is fine. Shimmer is nice every now and then, but I am not always here for the shims. This one is Blaze. It's that pinky shade. Last one is Attitude. And that's that shade right here. My hands are ashy. Okay. Okay, so those are the glosses. Then we've got some pencils. Oh wow, these are hard to get out. So then we've got some pencils. This is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, these glide really nicely. Like they don't tug at all, which is nice. These are called the RIP lip liners. These are definitely very buttery. They glide on really smoothly. Like they don't overly tug from what I see on my hands. They don't overly tug. I'm gonna see how they apply on my lips. Waterproof matte black liner glides to any eye shape without tugging or smudging, leaving a blacker than black pigment. Let's just do a little. That is pretty dark. And then that was just like the tip, just like doing a little swipe. It does seem to have a little shine to it, so hopefully it dries down a little bit matter. Okay, so then last but not least are these Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. I don't know if I would consider these powder. I feel like they kind of, I don't know, I guess maybe it's a shimmer to powder. Let's read. Liquid to powder for me, that's what it is. Okay, so I got these 3 right here, which are really, really pretty. I got Aphrodite, and then I've got Rose Bitch and Legend. So Aphrodite, Rose Bitch, and Legend right there. Got these last 3 right here. Those are Dynasty, Chained Ballerina, and then this one is Biker. Let's do something with these eyes. So I'm just gonna grab the quickest palette that I have to me right now. This is the Norvina Volume 2. It's got this really nice, beautiful brown shade in here that is gonna work to just kind of warm up my eyes a little bit more. And also adds a little depth into the crease. Let's go into the shade Biker. Apply it to the back end right there. Now I don't know how fast this dries down, so I feel like the glitter comes out more as it dries down and as you rub it. But it doesn't dry down that fast, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some right here. I just wanna make sure I don't have any harsh lines, so I just wanna make sure I blend quickly. And then I'm gonna take the green, because I really have been wanting to try this green. With my hooded eye, I have to make sure I angle my head a certain way so I can get really precise into where I want it. So it does seem to build up nicely, and they do seem to layer with each other nicely. Let's see if we can layer some of this gold on top. Oh yes. Just gonna take my bronzer brush, make sure everything's nice and diffused. I don't know, I don't know if it's just not drying fast enough. I think you have to wait to finish the rest of your eyes. I feel like these would look best as like toppers, like shimmer toppers or glitter toppers, because I feel like I am getting a little muddy situation right now, and I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of my eyes. It still kind of looks glossy, like it's not fully drying down to a powder. I feel like I still see a little gloss down so that it doesn't move on me. So let's try this black eyeliner. I feel like I have to do it wing. Okay, so no tugging. Down for that. Yeah, the eyeliner is bomb. Bomb. I feel like the felt gets a little messy and a little dirty, so it kind of gets a little bit muddy, but this first wing, fire. Take a little bit of this gold and pop it in our inner corner. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever blush. You guys are gonna be seeing all of these like in a day or so because I just did a video trying all these new MUFE products out and they're pretty fire. So that's why I'm using them again today. So then for lips, let's pick a liner. Let's go in with this one because I feel like all the other ones are probably gonna be a little bit too light for me. Oh yeah, they apply so well. Let's fill in the more neutral shade. Oh, so that was the shade Drag. And on the center, I'm putting the shade Rule. No, I don't want to ruin it with gloss. I really love this. Oh no, that wasn't Drag. What the hell? What shade did I just use then? I used the shade Slayer. This is the shade Slayer. These feel amazing on the lips. I knew it was gonna be a banger as soon as I started swatching them. I knew it. They feel so good. Oh my God. Feels like I have nothing on, but my lips also feel hydrated. Like, what the heck? Okay, so I'm going in with this shade right here, which is called Entranced. This is a very thick gloss though. Considering how thick it is applying it, it feels just as lightweight. Pop on these lashes. These are the Huda Beauty hoodie lashes. I'm gonna rip off all the glue that's on here, reapply it, and then see. For highlight, I'm gonna use these top two shades right here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Face Palette. Okay, she's cute. I'm really worried because I already feel like this lash is lifting. Oh wow, that is strange. It's not sticking. These lashes are not sticking. Maybe I'll try a different lash glue? That is strange. Okay, this hair with this makeup looks fire, and the jacket. I'm going to a guest event tonight, so I've gotta hurry up and close it out. So final thoughts on the product from the Haus Labs. I don't know what was going on with the way that these lashes weren't trying to stick. I think it just might be the glue type, because I ended up switching to the Duo glue, and that adhered a little bit better than the House of Lashes glue that I was trying to use. I've had that happen with a few different wigs. This is actually one of my more finicky wigs. Like, I have to adhere it a different way than I usually do on my other wigs, and it's just sometimes just some products just don't work well together. I feel like the biggest takeaway products for me were the eyeliner. I really like the way that that one glided. It does glide and does not tug, so I did like the felt tip liner. It did get a little gunky with product on it, and I feel like maybe all you have to do is just clean it off and then like reapply, but it did apply a really crisp line, and you can still see it from here, which is nice. The other thing that I really liked was the lip products. The lip products are bomb. I thought the lip gloss was gonna be a little bit too sticky because it is a very thick consistency when you apply it on with the brush, but it doesn't feel sticky at all on my lips. Like, at all, it doesn't feel sticky. And it doesn't have that nasty, like, weird, gross stuff that happens on your lips. It doesn't have that. Lip pencils apply like a dream. You guys saw how good they looked. They blended together really well. They give you a good amount of coverage. I love the formula. I love the way everything applied. I love the way everything feels on the lips. Super just nice and clean. I do think I'm gonna keep playing with the Glam Attack liquid to powder products just a little bit more. Maybe play with them as like a eyelid topper or something like that. I'm actually excited to see what else the brand is gonna go ahead and come out with and launch. Hope you guys got to see a little bit more insight onto what I think about the company and how I would use it for my more normal to a little bit everyday glam makeup routine that I do. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Lots of love, and I will see you guys next time.